Hello friends, my name is Kazi Zulekhanian and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be sharing with you people the items that I have brought from Nykaa Pink Friday sale. I bought 8 items from the sale and all the 8 products are from one brand, that is Maybelline New York. So you must be thinking of why one brand and no other, but there are certain items I wanted for a long time, and when I saw this pink sale and those products are on huge discount, I just grabbed that opportunity to get all the beauties that I wanted for a long period of time. So I'm really excited to share with you what I have all bought from the sale. And so without any delay, let's get started. The first thing that I have put in my cart from the brand Maybelline is Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. Every beauty influencers are talking about this product and they are saying recommending this product to be used, and so I thought, why not give it a try. Of this product is 6.95, and since it was in discount and I got it for 5.21. Can you believe it? It's a huge discount, so I'm really eager to using this in my for future video and share my experience with you people. So this is it, and its net content is 20 gram. This is it. By the way, I wanted to order the shade 15 light one, but by mistake I ordered the 25 shade medium. So कौन कौन ये मिस्टेक करता है लाइक मी? सो डू लेट मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि आप कुछ और चाहते हो एंड गलती से आपने कुछ और ऑर्डर प्लेस कर दिया है. ये तो मैं बहुत करती हूँ. सो दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल. अगर आप लोग भी ऐसा मिस्टेक करते हो तो प्लीज़ कमेंट में बताओ जल्दी से. द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट दैट आई हैव बॉट इज दिस. This is Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. Price of this product is 335 and I got it for 218. And the next product that are eyebrow pen. The weight of this product is 16 gram. It has a validity of 2 years, and this eyebrow pencil is natural brown in shade. Check out. Let me show you the product. Here brush, and here is the price of this product is 349, and during the sale I got it for 279. Item that I have bought is this eyeliner. This is, as you can see, 249, but I got it for 174. I haven't opened this one, so I will open it for you. It's a content of 3 ml. 3 ml. Packaging is quite good. It's like a bold yellow color, as you can see. Let's see the brush. It's not a very thin one. It's quite dark, bold black color. The next thing that I have bought, Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer. You must have seen on Instagram and YouTube that most of the beauty influencers were talking about this product, that it's such a good concealer. One must should try it. Even I thought of trying this product. Price of this one before offer is 620, and during the Nykaa Pink Friday sale I got this product at rupees 434. Wow, isn't it? So when I saw the discount, I thought, no, I'm going to buy this one because everyone was talking about this product. I have tried to use this one. So you can see the little bit of product. It's a very good one, I must say. I will give you a review on the product later. You can see this cushion. It's for the easy application. And another most highly recommended highlighting is talking about this product, that it's such a good highlighter, one must try it and all. This is this one, Face Studio Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter, and this is in the shade of Molten Gold. The net weight of the product is around 6.7 grams. Excited to use this product. I have high expectations from this product since I have seen people talking such a good about this product and that it's like very good and one must should try this highlighter. So I grabbed the opportunity to try this beautiful highlighter from Maybelline. As you can see, I'll just swatch it for you people. See, it's really beautiful. Wow, it's just melted in your skin and it's give you a little shimmery effect, shiny effect. It's really beautiful one, worth trying. Let's see. And I have bought two lipsticks, and Maybelline New York Color Sensation Creamy Matte Lipsticks, and this is in the shade of Mesmerizing Magenta. 680. This is the shade actually I'm currently wearing. I just love the matte and creamy texture of this. Let me swatch it for you. See, so creamy in texture. The price of this product is $2.99 and I got it for $2.39. And another from the same new Maybelline New York Color Sensation Creamy Lipstick. This is in the shade of Mysterious Mocha. And the price of this product is $2.99 and I got it for $1.50. This is the color. Mysterious Mocha. Wow. Lovely brown shade. So this is it. This is what all I have bought from the Nykaa Pink Friday sale, and this is I wanted to share with you people. Soon I will be doing makeup with all these beauties and let you know about the products and other details of the product, and also share what you have purchased from the Pink Friday sale in the comment section or on my Instagram page, that is Zulekha Nihar. The ID is Zulekha Nihar. So do share it, and I'll see you all in my next YouTube video. Till then, goodbye. Love you.